The ultimate drone just got so much better with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and this is a huge release. I cannot wait to see what comes inside. I got myself the 512 gigabyte creator combo. Comes with the DJI RC Pro 2, which is this very unique controller here. 512 gigabytes of internal storage is phenomenal. And let's not wait any longer. Let's get into this. And let's have a look what comes inside of this huge package. Now, I had to actually come to a new location to film the unboxing purely because it's just such a big box. There is going to be some magical stuff in here. I can feel it. I can already feel it right now. Okay, so as we open it up, we get a brand new bag, which is expected. I just have to move it off the screen. Here it is. Ooh la la, love that. Okay, very unique straight away. Brand new bag design. Love the two-tone design they've gone for here. It actually says Mavic on the bag, which is a nice little touch. And this little design here, which we saw on the Air 3 range, you can see DJI off to the side there. Really nice bag. That's just the back there in case you want to have a look. And we've got some little side pockets here as well. And here it is. This is the box. This is the case. So let's start off straight away with the drone. I don't even want to wait around. Typically I might start with some other stuff, but no, we're getting straight into the drone. Let's see how it all comes packaged. Just have to pull it off to the side again just to open it up. And here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, look at that. Huge gimbal cover, massive gimbal cover. It looks like it clips onto one of the vents at the back this time, which is quite interesting. Let's take off this sticker here. So it literally comes off from the vent now, so it clips onto almost the whole body. It still gives you the DJI logo there. And then as you take it off like that, that then comes off. So that's the whole gimbal cover. And here, oh, is the brand new camera system. Look at this. It rotates in all directions. It can literally look back on itself. Oh, that is so cool. There are going to be some amazing features in this drone. You can already tell. So that's it there. Let's just take this off and keep having a look at what we get. So the arms fold out like so. And then these guys fold that way. Oh wow, look at all the sensors on it. Literally, we've got 3 upward facing sensors. They've got that like dome design, so they, you know, will be giving us avoidance in literally every direction you could imagine. We've got nice big motors. We've got on the back here a USB-C and a micro SD card slot. The batteries look very nice as well. So that's all of that. I'll just take that off. And so we can see we've got more sensors on the underside now. Just curious to see what it looks like sitting down. Oh, it is quite a large drone, isn't it? It is quite a large drone, but that camera system there, the fact that it can spin around in all sorts of directions is insane. So cool. There are the motors and the propellers. We've got the sensors on top there. We've got all those sensors underneath there. And that's kind of what we're looking at straight away. That's the initial first look at the drone. I'll just point the camera up so you can see that. We are running out of space on this table here. Let's have a look at this charging dock now. I believe this is going to be the charging dock. Oh, that looks awesome. Very neat design. Love that. You got like an open body on it, which is cool. So I believe it's going to have the same feature that we've seen previously, by the looks of it, where it actually trickle charges the other batteries. So you can see they're pretty low, right? But all I've got to do is press that button once and then press and hold until it goes green. Theoretically, if it's the same feature as the other drones, there we go, goes green. And now it's going to start trickle charging into the battery that needs it the most, the one that's closest to being fully charged. So that's really cool. Like that, very unique. Looks like we've got one of these guys here, which is a proprietary charging cable by the looks of things. And then we've got USB-C and the power button. That looks very cool. We'll just leave that there for now. We get some propellers by the looks of things. Yep, so we got some propellers, a bunch of different propellers. Very cool. All the different propellers in there, so that comes with quite the selection. We'll just put that there. Now, I really want to see this controller. So it's saying unfold the antennas downwards and extend the arm to power on. So it must auto power on by the looks of things. It's got a bit of weight to it. That's the first thing I'm noticing. Oh my goodness. What is happening right now? It is a huge, huge display that auto powers on. What? What is happening? Okay, so the antennas go down like so. We've got 2 toggle wheels, record button, as well as the button to swap across to photos. The antenna goes down like that, which is very interesting. We've literally got like a toggle, like a wheel basically. A 5D button, I guess they would probably call it. You got oh, maybe that's the 5D button, and then that's like a wheel. Okay, this is interesting. We've got a back button. Let's just come in a little closer. That's what we can expect there. Obviously, we've got the different modes. We've got a home button, back button. This one here, which is very interesting. And then the 5D button as well. The thumbsticks stay in there, which is so unique. That's the back of the tablet itself, the display. And looks like it's a touch display as well. Very, very nice. And now on the base, look at this. Look at what we've got here. We've got a full-sized HDMI. We've got a USB-C and we've got a micro SD card slot. We've got 2 little screwing points here. And then maybe a microphone array or a speaker array. Yeah, lots of stuff going on here. And on the back, we do have a C1 and a C2 button. That is so cool. Okay, let's just put the antennas away. They just slot back into place there. And I believe, just to quickly see, as I fold this down, oh wow, it goes it into sleep mode instantly, but it's still got power. So as I lift it up, it powers on instantly. That's so cool. Love that. Very, very unique, guys. Okay, so let's keep looking. What else have we got in here? We've got some paperwork on top here in this mesh section, which we're not even going to bother looking at. And we're going to have a look at these final few pieces. Oh, love the feel of the interior of the bag. Love that. Okay, what else have we got in here? Let's make a little bit more space, hey? There is a lot going on. So that's the bag. I'm going to just move the bag to the side to give us a bit more space. Put the drone in frame. There we go. Cool. So that's where we're up to. So now, if we have a look here, it's like a braided cable. Very premium. Nice braided USB-C to USB-C. That feels phenomenal. We've got a large power brick. I'm sure these batteries need a lot of power. Let's just have a look how this all comes. Yeah, they go all out on these premium drone releases. They give us something special here. So there's that nice big power brick, just says DJI on it. The cable is plugged in and like it's fixed, so you can't remove that cable. There is a USB-C to charge up your controller or other accessories. And then on this side, we have the opportunity to plug it in, which I believe will be in this box here. And then we've gone through everything. Oh, what? What is happening here? I've got like, how many different cable options do I have? What is happening? Okay, so, oh, these are all the different countries. Wow. So there's the Aussie one that I'm going to use, but it literally comes with that many cables. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different options. Wow, that is so cool. Okay, so there we go. That is the whole kit right there. Let's just move a few things. So obviously this is the main piece. We're just going to fold it down so we can see its footprint when it's folded down. Looks like you can fold in any order, which is quite cool. So that is the Mini 4 Pro right there. Such a unique design. Look at that camera. So interesting that it's got like this range of motion, can look back on itself, spin around. That is going to create some super unique perspectives. We've got a different array of sensors on top, completely different body and design. This is going to be absolutely wonderful. I cannot wait to test this out thoroughly.